Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Taslima Art. It's really lovely to have you here. Do check out my other videos, and if you can, like, share and subscribe to support me. You will find a variety of different artwork on my channel. These are all step-by-step videos and tutorials on everything ranging from fluid art and paint pouring to embellishments and more. I'm hoping there's something for everyone's tastes, but do check them out and see what you think and leave me a comment or subscribe if you like them. In this week's video, I will be doing a reverse flower dip using the colours red and yellow on a black base. And a warm welcome to all of you to the wonderful Fluid Art Express, our weekly collaboration of amazing artists, and the lineup is as follows. So every Sunday I kick off the Express with Taslima Art, and after me is the talented Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Following him is the wonderfully creative creations by Christy, and then another dear friend, Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art, followed by the lovely Bubbles, again at Venom Fluid Art, and finally heading up the caboose is our smooth-voiced hippy dippy painter man. So stay on the Express and have some fun with us on the lives.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, 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 yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, yeah, I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you. Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh. Though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children, acting like a doll. Crazy, naive, bold and carefree.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is what this flower looks like. You've got lots of different layers, as you can see, some beautiful kind of cells on the edges. It looks very much 3D, and I am so pleased with it. I'm so sorry you missed the lifting. It was pretty much just me gathering the corners and just lifting it straight up. Here's a little blob that I accidentally dripped from the tissue when I was moving it away, but I'll correct that in a minute. But I really love this flower dip. It's stunning, and it did dry beautifully as well. The leaves look great, you know, the petals look beautiful, and you can really see all the colors I put in. I'm just using a dotting tool now just to do a few modifications and make the center better. So I'm just going to very gently or lightly do this over the top while it's still wet.
Like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did.
And here comes the flyover, so you can see the wet result, and I'll do a slight close-up there so you can see all the petals and the beautiful colours, and they really blended quite well, didn't they? And you can see the pearl as well around the edges, giving that kind of ghostly, ethereal look, which is so pretty. I really am loving doing the flower dips, the reverse flower dips, and I want to thank Fiona Art for her inspiration and really looking at the recipe that she had for the glue recipe. It's really helped me on this journey, and I'm ever grateful to her. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me on the Fluid Art Express, and up next is the very talented Darren from Venom Fluid Art, so I hope to see you in his live. Take care of yourselves and see you in a while. Bye for now.